everybody, welcome back to Space Flight Simulator. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get into Earth low orbit. It's very simple. So you have to go to your worlds, then you gotta create one. And you're going to clear your entire rocket. And then but you're going to have to build an orbital satellite to let it orbit around the Earth. So, the visit of it, you better have 2 plates and an anchor at the bottom. And then add 2 and 3 engines to the bottom. And you don't have to just add one of those. After the rockets are in position, you put 3 engines at the bottom. And they don't disappear at all. So we're going to make one orbital satellite. You're going to go to other, then you're going to pick a satellite. Then when it's ready to launch, click the launch button to make sure it's ready to launch. So get ready to let it launch on its own. And then you don't have to think about it when you're done building the rocket. You have to just get some parts. Just don't click the more parts button. And then you add the castles. Then you go scroll to the bottom and then add 1 engine. There you go. We got a rocket set up. Now we're going to get ready to launch this rocket into orbit. Make sure it's up so that you just wait until it gets into orbit. But it's not going to go well as long as you open this satellite. But you don't have to open the satellite yet. After you get into Earth low orbit. Then you enter the map view. After they're out of fuel, just eject. And then let the rocket go on it. Then you change it. And then the rocket will go. And then after the rocket is ready, you will get to the moon any second. But just don't open your satellites yet. After you get to the moon, safety impossible. And that's the end of the video.